How to see your QR code on KakaoTalk. In today's guide, I'll be showing you how you can see your QR code on KakaoTalk. With this, go to KakaoTalk application on your device. Now once you are in, please tap on this admin icon right here. Tap on it. Now here you can see your QR code is right here. Now you can just tap on this share icon right here and share it with your friends from here. You can share it in any platform you like. Now in order to save it, we are going to tap on this right here and tap on QR code. Now here you can see my profile right here. Tap on it. Now just tap on this save icon right here like this. And this way your QR code will be saved to your gallery. Tap on OK. That's it. Hope this video helped you. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.